Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, sir. I'm Cadet Jesus Peter John Olsen from Senior 3 Golf. I'm here to present about the
Garbage.
Marple 5, which is the
Yes.
garbage color
Manage.
code,
Yes, correct.
management code. Yun po.
Yes.
There are different colors to which you are
Segregate.
you need you need to segregate the waste.
Yes.
Wherein in the green color here, you
Good.
will see that this is you will food waste.
Food waste. Okay.
And the blue color of the bin is the can or metal,
Okay.
and the yellow bin is the other waste, and on
Okay.
the red bin is the plastic.
Okay.
That's all. Thank you.
Okay. Good.
I have a question po, sir.
Go. Question. It's good.
Ah, ano pong types nung other po? Pwede pong pa-specify
Yes.
po.
Other. It could be yung bitang durog na fluorescein. Pwede yan ilagay doon. Yung mga patay na daga or medyo hindi identify siya as food waste or hindi naman siya identify as plastic, doon mo ilagay yung others. But it's depend on company policy. Pero most probably in general pag pula talaga, red yan red, di ba? Plastic. Yung plastic talaga, bawal yan. It's depend on mostly mo vary yan every company to other company. Di ba? That is a good question. So it could be others, plastic. Yun na naman yan, yellow plastic. Sa bagay, ano yan,
Meron din po dito na ang green ay flammable substance like paper, cardboard, drugs, etc.
yes.
Sa red ay non-flammable substance like glass, bottle, metal.
Yes.
Yellow, which is plastic. Blue, food waste. And black, which is ash generated from incinerator. Yun po yung ibang color code po nila.
Yes, but we are trying on the Google. Na which is Google can give any other color. Wala man tayong website na true talaga. Kung punta tayo sa website na is TCW, punta tayo diyan sa makita diyan, di ba? Pero most probably, yan, isa din yan, plastic, gray naman niya. Pero Google kasi to mostly diyan sa Google, ano yan, broader yan siya, broader. In general yun siya na doon. Pero doon sa company nyo, it could be Maersk, it could be TSM, or it could be anong company, depende na lang yan sa garbage management plan nyo kung anong color. Okay? Good
Hi,
question.
sir.
Yes, good question. Is that all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can stop screen.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Cadet Brasari Cedric from BSMT3 Golf. Annex 1 is regulations for the prevention of pollution by oil.
Subject.
Regulation.
Yes.
Regulation 15, control of discharge of oil. Subject to the provisions of Regulation 4 of this annex and paragraphs 2, 3, and 6 of this regulation, any discharge into the sea of oil or oily mixtures from the ships shall be prohibited. A discharges outside special areas. 2. Any discharge into the sea of oil or oily mixtures from ships of 400 gross tonnage and above shall be prohibited except when all the following conditions are satisfied. The ship is en route to the oily mixture.
I-zoom mo yan.
Process.
I-zoom.
This process.
Parang
yan po, sir.
Okay, yan. Okay, good.
This process through an oil filtering equipment meeting the requirements of Regulation 14 of this annex. The oil contents of the effluent without
Effluent without dilution does not
does not
exceed
exceed 15 parts per million.
ppm yan. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Sige po, sir.
Good afternoon, sir, and to my fellow classmate. I am Rhea Caibe from BSMT Gulf. Regulation 11, discharge of sewage. Subject to the provision of Regulation 3 of its annex, the discharge of the sewage into the sea is prohibited, except when the ship is discharging comminuted and disinfect sewage using a system approved by administration in accordance with Regulation 9.2 of this nautical miles from the nearest land and sewage which not comminuted and infect at the distance of more than 12 nautical miles from the nearest land, provided that in any case the sewage that has been stored in holding tanks shall not be discharged instantaneously but at moderate rate when the ship is en route and proceeding at not less than 4 knots. The rate of discharge shall be approved by administration based on discharge developed by organization.